But are you really sure that you're having trouble breathing?
I can't. Listen. I can't breathe.
Oh, I almost hit stop recording instead of playing the thing.
I murdered you. I mean, just kidding.
Wow, that's...
You didn't do the thing.
What do you mean I didn't do the thing?
You didn't stop that thing.
I did.
What?
What are you talking about?
You didn't turn off that one.
Oh.
See, I'm right.
So what's gonna go down? One of like 5 different horrible theories are gonna happen, and I'm wondering which one it's gonna be. Is he gonna get bit by a snake dude?
2 heads, 2 bites, 2 souls held at once, and through magic, I can switch your spirit with another.
Is he gonna get stabbed? Is he gonna run away? I don't know what's gonna happen. I'm scared. Is the plan for the king to just stand in the courtyard and be like, yo, I'm here, have fun killing me, unstoppable elf people? Oh, that was an interesting bird animation.
You're an interesting bird animation.
I am an interesting bird animation. Thank you for noticing. Look, he's holding a snake Pokemon. Hold on, I need to look up the Pokemon so you can know what I'm talking about. It used to be on Pokemon Go. You've probably caught one.
Yeah, what are they called? Serpentias.
Serpentsoltia! What?
What?
Apparently my phone's out of power.
Oh.
Bye-bye. Literally threw it across the room. I may as well plug it in.
Yeah, that would be more effective than throwing it across the
look it
room.
up.
Oh, I'm dying 1,000 deaths. Oh, gosh.
Try only dying 1.
But, oh,
What
gosh.
did you just knock over?
Your mom.
Oh, what?
There's not even anything in my nose. It's just all inaccessible up in my brain or something.
What? Are you blowing out your brains?
Yeah.
Through your nose?
Yeah.
I would recommend against that.
What does that mean, Dad?
Dad!
Yeah, we knew that.
Oh, we did? I
Yeah.
missed it. I was busy talking or something.
If I told you, you would try to stop me.
Oh boy.
So, shouldn't I just try to stop you then?
Too much logic for him. Ew.
Ew!
You nasty?
Why would she immediately think that? Like, oh, I see a mysterious sticky substance. It's probably not salamander pee. It's probably something I can eat.
Maybe it could stop the war.
And they break it.
Oops! Just knocked it off the pedestal.
He's okay in there. I can feel it.
Why are you so attached to things? What's happening?
Claudia? You're freaking out? Can we talk, please?
Follow me.
Ooh.
Okay, just turn
Bye,
your back
Claudia.
on the person who's about to zap.
Yes, Sokka. Callum.
What are you doing?
The right thing, I hope.
Oh, I love him. Oh my gosh. Ew.
Is she speaking backwards? Oh.
I don't like
She's
her. Okay,
summoning a
bye.
demon.
Bye.
Whoa.
It's a sauce of death.
Oh no,
Oh,
she summoned
gosh.
dogs of death.
Wait, not that way.
Why not?
Oh!
Wow.
He should be dead. He just ran full speed into a wall. His nose is broken, his head is probably dead.
Oh gosh.
Ooh, she has a bite mark on her arm. I appreciate the detail.
She gonna turn into a sauce of death?
Oh ho! She's infected with sauces of death.
Harrow.
Yes, Sokka, good boy.
I love him. Frick, why is he my favorite?
I am prepared to do anything to protect the king.
Murder my son.
I hope you will understand.
Oh, is he gonna take his son's soul?
What are you talking about?
Blonde,
who are you
blonde
talking about?
boy. Is dark hair Hakoda man gonna take blonde boy's soul?
Who is blonde hair Dakota boy? What are you? Who? Be more specific with your pronouns. I'm very confused.
No, Hakoda man, Mr. Soul Snatcher. Is he gonna take his son, who is blonde boy, who is standing in front of the door?
That's his son too?
Yes!
So Claudia and
Claudia
him are
and
sisters?
blonde boy. Yeah, they're
Oh, yeah,
sisters.
oh, yeah,
That's how siblings work. Hi, sisters!
I hate everything.
Oh my gosh.
When you chased me through the castle trying to stab me?
Oh.
Haha, good times.
I love him!
I'll take you to the roof.
Oh, that smile. Callum's like, ha! The small one has power.
The small one.
But you are also my friend.
Is he gonna put the bird soul in the king?
Oh my gosh.
Just squawk! I'm the king!
Know your place. And where exactly is that place?
6 feet under.
You are a servant.
Why are you making this guy feel terrible about himself when you're turning him into the villain that we knew he was going to become?
Uh-oh.
Ree!
You've made a terrible mistake.
Ez, show him.
Yeah, they actually did something logical. I'm proud.
Yay! Shira would never.
How has she not got out yet?
To break the chain.
Are you this useless of a mage that you can't break a simple chain?
Drag her.
Why don't you just call him Dad?
Because he's the
He ain't my dad.
Oof.
Slow down there, step prince.
Does everyone have to say step prince? Why can't they just say prince? What? Why is he creepy too?
What the?
Ew, what the heck?
What?
What was that?
Was that his voice?
Oh no.
He just pulled an Ariel.
He did. How is he supposed to communicate where the egg is now? He doesn't have
That's
a
a
voice.
good question.
He's
Tell
like,
me where
Tell
it
me!
is. Let
Snatch
me...
your voice.
Yeah, okay, good luck.
You impudent little mongrel.
Whoa.
You
That was uncalled
impressive vocabulary. Da! Exclaims. Yay! He got his voice back.
for. Yay!
He swallowed his voice pellets.
We have to keep it safe and carry it to Zadia.
Okay. Lord of the Rings.
They've got an elf, a dwarf, and a regular person.
A dwarf. You know what that means. The body of the king died, but who knows where his spirit is.
True.
It's probably in his bird or something. It probably will be in his bird. And then the bird's gonna be like, squawk, squawk, I wish I could talk to you. It's me,
Oh
help.
my gosh, that'd be so weird.
I'm probably very wrong, but that's a very fun theory.
Do birds even have, like, souls the same as people?
I don't know, then it would just switch nothing with us all then, maybe. I don't know.
Oh, ba-da-ba-doo-ba-da-ba-da. Whoa, she just went at that.
Wait, what? This literally fell off last episode. What?
No, there was a different one in her other wrist.
She had two?
Yeah, I don't know why.
Oh! Oh!
What?
It makes sense! Oh, you know what?
What?
It makes sense because he's halfway dead. His body's dead. His spirit still lives. Therefore, it's only halfway complete.
Or was
T,
it, or
the
was
king
it,
is still alive.
Or was it because they were supposed to kill the king and the prince is over here? Why is there a post-it note on my leg?
Maybe. Wait, what?
How did that get there?
It's fine.
Well, it's one of those things.
Yeah, I don't know. We got theories, but I like the details.
They
Shira
put
never
way
had
more thought into this than Shira.
So what? I'm talking to my ribbon thing.
Same. I too lick my eyebrows.
Oh.
Oh no, he dead.
He heckin' dead, fam.
Oh no.
His spirit totally isn't in a bird or anything.
Oh no, Ethan, it's not a bird.
What do you mean it's not a bird?
It's not gonna be in a bird.
Hey!
It better not
You
be
don't
in a bird.
know. I can't wait to see this bird and see if
It's-
it acts weird. The bird should be king.
I call it
It's the quenchiest.
hot brown morning potion.
You mean coffee?
Harrow called me his brother.
No, you called him that.
The princes are dead.
Okay, you really shouldn't say that. You don't know where they are.
He wants to invoke rage, so he's making people as ragey as possible. Ew, 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 I hate it, 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 I hate it. Oh
What?
gosh.
What? So that's where the jelly comes from.
There will be
Coronation
Of
of
me.
me. Wow. Totally not gonna get anyone upset at me
Oh,
today.
of course not. Oh, he
Ooh,
is
he
Hiccup.
does art.
What if it's magic? We have to go get it.
This is Avatar.
It really is. I love it.
And this is Katara going after the waterbending scroll.
Oh, no, don't make me hate
Sokka, no,
Callum.
please.
I don't hate Katara that much, guys. Don't come for me.
Princes are supposed to be good at things.
And I am not. I love how she still has the bite mark. I love the attention to detail. And Shira, they would have forgotten about it and
Oh, yeah.
no longer had that at all. Where did the bottle go that Ez was holding?
He murdered.
It
He
just kind
ate
of-
the bottle too.
It just crunched. Oh, this glass tastes pretty good.
Go, Rayanasana. What is your name?
Reyna?
Raya, Rayan, Ray. May the force be with you.
Oh no.
Aunt Maya?
Why is she not freaked by his livingness?
Probably because she wasn't there during the funeral, I'm assuming.
Oh no, a window is open. Clearly something is dastardly wrong.
Go find a key.
Oh, she just picked him up.
Oh. What? She knocked him off of the hinges.
She hasn't said a word.
Oh, can she not talk? She uses sign language?
Oh, really? Did her voice get snatched too?
A baguette.
Un baguette.
Very stale.
Weapons grade.
Ha!
I would love to attack someone with a baguette.
Please do.
Okay, that was mahogany.
Aunt Maya, why are you here?
Aunt Jemima?
Aunt Jemima dropped her
Dropped
baguette,
baguette. Oh.
laid it on her cat's
Cat's
face.
face.
The cat died
Spilled? Oh
instantly.
my gosh. Oh gosh.
Good job. Good thing you're losing teeth, because that means you might get them back.
Oh.
If we just explain everything.
Wait, did Did what's his face? Belch just burp up a rock?
Did Belch just burp up a rock?
You're very bad at looking for things.
You're very bad at looking for things. That was necessary to leap over the
perception.
table. Oh no! It's the spooky lady of death smashing.
Can you imagine going through life with only 4 fingers?
She only has 4 fingers? That's interesting.
Whoa, it's like she's a different species. Oh heck, that just took that off her head. This feels like the blue spirit. She even has the dual blades. This is wild.
That's the king, isn't it? But with a new soul or something. Wait, no, never mind. The king's dead because of the thing. You know...
Are you okay? You have too many conspiracy theories.
I can't decide which conspiracy theories I like better. Uh-oh.
Oh, it's doing a thing.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I expected that. Is that the king? Please tell me that's the king. Please tell me that's the king. In a cage, so I can't move.
It is in a cage, so that does make it more convincing.
King Harrow's death has wounded us.
Has been harrowing.
It's a wound.
Kingdom he loved to be lost in darkness.
So we light lots of torches.
We leave the lights on.
I will humbly take up the battle.
Oh, I humbly. Oh, such a burden. Oh, I am such a hard job.
Why does
feel
nobody
bad for me.
have red flags go up?
They
with
do.
The whole... Oh, they do? Okay.
Did you see their faces? They were like, heck no, you little butt.
True. Oh, haha. They're gonna say the princes are alive.
Oh,
The princes are
got
alive.
him. Oh, I thought she just
I thought she just did the same thing!
That would have been so funny if she did that, though. Oh, gosh.
Did you see that guy's face? He was upset.
He was like, heck no, bruh.